Ooh, hola, ¿cómo estás? How y'all doing? What's up and whatever else? To another episode of Brew Hustler and Tea. So we're going to be unboxing the supplies for the Brew Hustler boxes. So without further ado, let's get it started. The first item, big black cloth. I'm going to be using this as the backdrop for videos after I paint it and everything. So you guys are going to see that. That's probably going to end up being a separate video where you guys get to watch me paint. Yeah. Yeah. Next, we have frosted spray bottles. These are going to be used for our body sprays. All right, so these came before the majority of the shipment. So I already know what these two are. But now, here's the real fun, because you're going to see me unbox everything else. Okay, package one. Right. What's in you? Ice cream scoop so that we can be sanitary and precise with our measurements. And crystals. These are going to be used for the keychains and the J staffs. So, yes, it is. We're going to move on to the next box. Over again. All right. Nice big thing of shea butter. So this is going to be going into all of our body butters. And vials. These I'm going to use to separate and create each of individual fragrances, which I will then also make a video just so you guys can see that and get introduced to all of the starter fragrances for Bruhessa boxes. Ooh, now we go to big boxes. I'm actually going to move in the living room because that's where my dad dropped off these boxes, and they're very heavy, so I wasn't going to move them. So Wombo box one. I'm gonna put this back down on the floor and pull each individual item. This box section in here, there's boxes within boxes. So we have first pouch of charms. These specifically are sun, moon, and star charms that are again going to be used for the keychains and J staffs. What's in here? All right. So And this is, I could have sworn I ordered 24, but these are going to be the jars for the body butter. Gotta check my order, make sure there's either a second box here. I only purchased 20, or I only purchased 12, but I could have sworn I ordered 24. So there should be a second box here. So there is a second box in this big box, and hopefully the rest of the black jars are in here, which I doubt. So what is in here? All right. Each of the candles for the Brew Hustle boxes are going to be in this adorable little hexagon jar. Just more jars in here. Cool. So I got 60, I believe. Yep. 60 of these little babies. That's it. Right. On to the next box. Hey, Mom. Look at my sweet little watchdog. Alright. I expected this to be bigger, but each of the mini boxes. So our mini Brew Hustle boxes are going to be these little black boxes. Alright, so there's another big box in here. I'm going to wait. Check out the loose stuff first. So, exit. Exit, Monk. Get out. So these are our Bumblebee charms. More boxes. These are going to be for the press-on nail sets. More charms. This is just something that is going to be used to tack the press-on nail to the stand so that I can paint them. More charms. Wire cutter. And wire. This is taped the box off. Okay. I'm loving the due diligence. All right. And here are the clear spray bottles. These are going to be used for our room sprays. Now to this big box. All right. And these are the large candle jars. So as of right now, you can get a 16-ounce full-size candle. Warehouse air. Smells like packing tape, wax, and styrofoam. But yeah, so we have one more big box to see what is in it. Cool. There's a lot of packaging in here, which I kind of wish they didn't do. I would have rather everything been thrown into either a smaller box or put more stuff in one big box. Just me personally, I don't like a lot of wasteful stuff. But we'll see how we can reuse as much of this extra packing material as possible. So this is the stand for the press-on nails. Here's more beads and things of that nature for, obviously, the keychains and staffs. A new melting pot. Technically, it's a candle making set, but it's a melting pot, some pre-made wicks, and a mixing spoon. So this is definitely going to be in a whole lot of videos. All right. Pipettes, just so we can transfer fragrances properly. What we got here? Oh, baggies for the bath bombs, along with 2 sealing machines. So that's lovely. I gotta make sure I have batteries that can fit these. Keychain. There's 2 types. We have the key ring style and then the lobster clasp style. So when ordering the pre-made boxes, it's going to be random, but when ordering, you have to specify whether you want the lobster clasp or the key ring. Here are some silver charms. So some people like silver. There are gold mixed in here, but it is looks like majority silver. So all right, what are you? Canvases. Yeah. Yeah. Multiple canvases. So we have small ones. Pricing for these will actually be based on the time it took for me to do each painting. So the more intricate and detailed painting it is, the higher the price. But they're all small, so you can put them in all types of places. You can tuck it in your car. You can hang it up in your new apartment. Do what you like. Have fun with it. So yeah. All right. What next? Shipping labels. Three of these tonight, and begin construction on large castle boxes. So what else? This is shipping paper. So I know a little bit of this. I'm going to use this to wrap up the canvases for paintings that have been ordered. I'm not sure if I'm going to wrap the actual boxes with these as well yet. Essential oils, because I have some, but I don't have all. So I want it just enough to top off the first five. I believe I have 5 fragrances preset for the first series of boxes. What is this? The nails for press-ons. And beeswax, because we're going to support the bees. So guys, make sure if you're making candles, try and find like organically sourced, fair traded, things of that nature. Beeswax. Also, make sure you're getting yourself some organic, fair trade honey as well. Go ahead, support the bees, love the bees, save the bees. Plant a flower or two. Bees love lavender and herbs, sunflowers. We need the bees and the ice caps, but I don't know how to save the ice caps other than stop global warming, and no one seems to want to stop global warming. Oh, all right. That is everything for today. So the only item that has not showed up yet for the haul were the oil droplets. Those are originally planned to be in both the small and large boxes. But until they actually come in, I'm gonna have to substitute it out for something else. Um, Hopefully those show up before February 1st. They're supposed to be here at the end of the month, but I wanted to make sure that I got all this together and got everything started beforehand, because those are really simple to make. I just need to infuse my base oils with the essential oil and pot it. So hopefully those come earlier rather than later. The first Brew Hexa boxes will be available, and other products will be available for purchase February 1st. So after February 1st, you're more than welcome to buy, and I will supply. If you are watching this before February 1st, you can actually pre-order your own Brew Hexa box by going to my Instagram and just going ahead and shooting me a detailed description of the box you want. I will have posted all the items that I currently have available to fill a box, and then all the fragrances that can be used for each product. So all you have to do is pick your products and pick your fragrances, and I will build your box for you. Well, since that's everything to unbox today, that is my first Amazon haul of the new year. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you later. You'll see me later. We'll talk it up. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, follow, all that. Drink water, save the bees. And those are the things that we need to do to survive. So yeah, go ahead, be happy. If you make me happy. Yeah. Yeah.